Ice storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued an ice storm warning, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Timing: freezing rain is expected to develop across southern Missouri around or just after midnight tonight. Precipitation will then expand to the north during the morning Friday. The surface freezing line will slowly move north during the day Friday into Saturday, causing some areas to change from freezing rain to rain. Ice accumulations of a quarter to half an inch will be possible from late tonight through Saturday. Major impacts to travel are likely as ice accumulates on area roadways. Bridges and overpasses will be most susceptible to ice accretion. Ice accretion on trees and power lines may result in scattered power outages. A winter storm watch means there is a potential for significant ice accumulations that may impact travel and infrastructure. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. An ice storm warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of ice accumulations will make travel dangerous or impossible. Travel is strongly discouraged. Commerce will likely be severely impacted. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Ice accumulations and winds will likely lead to snapped power lines and falling tree branches that add to the danger.